scared the crap out of me. I gotta move this seat, man. We're still sinking. Shit. Get you out of here, Doug. You hear me? How, man? Of course I'm stuck. Shit! This wasn't how it's supposed to happen, Irish. Wrecker, take my gun. The fuck are you thinking, Doug? The fuck are you thinking? For the wolf to survive, it's gotta chew off its own leg. Fire! Negative, don't do it! Now, Wrecker, shoot out the window. That's an order! Don't you fucking do it, Wrecker! Save yourselves. Get out of here. Get out of here! Fucking bullshit, man! You hear me? Shoot out the window, you all die! You're the man I think you are, you know, Wrecker. Вперед! Apologies, drop! Damn it, Wrecker. I almost shot you in the face. You lost your tail. Ease up, Pac. Where the hell you been? After the handoff went pear-shaped, I came straight here. They were Russians, right? Spec ops, 1 second they're there, the next they're not. Take deep breaths, son. You got the intel? Yeah, got it. Nice play. Shit. It's already daylight. We gotta get to the extraction point. You got a 20 on Irish? I thought he was with you. I'm breaking radio silence. Tombstone 3, Tombstone Actual. What's your 20?
Tombstone Actual. Inbound from the north. Coming in hot. Requesting cover fire on my retreat.
We got the Irish. We got it. Right, gear up and get ready.
You got that?
Hey, by the window. We gotta cover Irish.
Got me pinned!
Wrecker! Hostiles in the windows across! You okay, Irish?
Fuck you. I guess it's safe. I'll stay so safe.
Do something on the move.
Are you coming, Wrecker?
Hey, come on, man. Let's move. Fortress, this is Tombstone Actual. We got the package. We stirred up the hornet's nest. Moving towards extraction. Hello, in the atrium. They spotted us. We'll take them out to junction. Tag them and give the signal. Feed your left. Shoot the target.
No way around. Get down there. Everyone okay? All right, make it sing. On, let's go. Right. Scan the area.
That's the building. It's more like half a building.
Come on, Rek. Rhinos are very helpful. Yeah, the 2 smokestacks. Straight across. You see it, Wrecker? RPG!